Yeah.
All right, buddy. Go ahead. Search time. Explore.
Yeah. Oh. Daddy, oval. Oval. Two ovals. Yeah. Strawberries. 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 Eggs. Egg. Rice. Meat. Animal. Bee. C-U-V-W-X-Y-Z. Now my ABCs. Next I won't you sing with me. My head's in there.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. Ow. Oh no. Daddy, I'm pushing you.
What is that?
Ooh,
What is that?
sorry.
Right.
Darling, don't know. Ow. Right here.
What is that?
Milk.
Milk?
Mhm.
It's not.
Milk. What's this?
That's pod juice.
Pod juice? I like pod juice.
No, not up there. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's not gonna fit up. Okay. It does fit up there.
It's fit in there. Look.
Good job.
I did it.
You did it.
I strong Liam.
You are a strong Liam.
Yeah. Josie, I'm gonna load it.
Put the juice box away. Thank you.
Bye. Yay! Look, there's two of them. There's two of them. There's the here.
What is it?
There's the here.
What is it called again?
There's the here.
Do we have blueberries?
No,
What is it called?
strawberries.
No, the blue one.
Blueberries.
Oh, look in the pot.
Bah.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on.
Bah.
There you go.
And close the fridge.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, my name's Liam. I'm 3 years old. My name's Liam.
How old are you?
3 years old.
What's your favorite thing to eat?
Mac and cheese.
Do we have
And
mac and cheese? Do
ew.
we have mac and cheese in the fridge?
No. Tasty. Bye-bye. See you next time.